I'm Janet. I'm the General Manager here at Kiyomi. Welcome. Kiyomi was founded with one simple goal: to offer an authentic Japanese omakase experience while creating a welcoming and warm environment for our guests. Our chefs bring over 30 years of combined experience in traditional Japanese cuisine, and here they specialize in Edomae-style sushi and tempura. In fact, Kiyomi was the first restaurant in Toronto to offer tempura omakase. Every guest sits directly in front of the chef, allowing them to experience the craftsmanship, the technique, the hospitality that are central to the Japanese dining culture. Seasonality is at the heart of Japanese cuisine. As you can see here, we work closely with trusted suppliers, both locally and internationally, to source the best seafood and ingredients from Japan and around the world. In particular, if a fish or an ingredient is at its peak season, we want to showcase that. If supply affects availability, we adapt and introduce alternatives that meet our quality standards. So flexibility is key. This ensures that guests get the best ingredients at every visit. Toronto's diverse food scene has actually been an advantage. Diners here are curious, they're open-minded, which allows us to introduce authentic cuisine while creating an experience that feels warm and inviting. Omakase basically translates to "I leave it up to you." So there has to be trust. Our chefs create a meal that unfolds one dish at a time based on the best ingredients available. It's interactive. For first-time guests, building trust starts with communication. We've included a lot of information on our website so that customers know what to expect when they book a reservation. But we also take time to explain the concept and answer questions. Throughout the meal, our chefs will engage with the guests, explaining the menu, preparation methods, and inspiration behind the dishes. By the end of the meal, many guests say to us that they've actually enjoyed delicious food and learned something about Japanese cuisine. Guests appreciate the opportunity to experience a curated meal prepared by the chef right in front of them. This allows guests to take in the subtle differences in flavor, texture, and preparation that define authentic Edomae-style sushi or tempura. Some items that people love are the uni and hotate, or sea urchin and scallop, that we source from Hokkaido. And of course, the bluefin tuna is always a favorite. One of the most rewarding parts of our business is being part of our guests' special moments. We've hosted parties and corporate events. We've created evenings that give guests the opportunity to try some unique whiskeys and sakes with a carefully curated menu. Our beverage director guides guests through the flavors, aromas, and stories behind whiskeys and sakes in our collection. What stands out most is seeing our guests enjoying themselves around the chef's counter. Because the experience is so intimate and interactive, people often leave feeling that they have been a part of something truly special. The restaurant industry is really difficult right now for sure, but if you stay true to your vision and are adaptable, you can make it work. A niche concept succeeds when it offers something that is authentic and meaningful rather than just following trends. It's about quality, consistency, and guest relationships. Educating your customers about your concept is just as important as executing it well. At the same time, embrace technology and operational tools that allow you to work smarter and scale up when you're ready to do that. Technology, of course, is important in helping us create efficiency so we can focus on hospitality and the guest experience. Online reservation systems help us to manage bookings, special requirements, and seating arrangements more efficiently. Payment technology helps us streamline operations. When payment processing works seamlessly, our team can focus entirely on hospitality and guest satisfaction rather than troubleshooting operational issues. Moneris tools help us manage the business more effectively. Access to reporting, transaction management, and reliable payment processing allows us to make informed decisions and focus on what matters most to us, which is delivering exceptional food and hospitality. Having a trusted payment partner gives us confidence that transactions will be processed efficiently, allowing us to spend more time creating exceptional dining experiences and less time managing administrative concerns. Every interaction contributes to the guest's overall impression of the experience, including the final moments before they leave. After spending several hours delivering a carefully curated meal, the payment process should feel effortless and professional. A smooth transaction helps ensure that the final impression reflects the same level of care and intention the guests experience throughout their visit.